Ka jingelang jangka Kynhun Myntri kabalai kendo haka lai potrik unailar arhajar arpuar. Kalai kejing Mynjur bantai haka jinglut kemenkot chispa sanpuwe Klur tam iaka Medical Skill Hunar Hub ha babadam kabahab ke distrik West Garo Hills. Haba yekran bekinong pathai kubor hadin balawai ke jingelang jangka Kynhun Myntri. Menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bayakan ke projek onte haka jinglut kemenkot chispa sanpuwe poin kendai san Klur tengka. Balas dang ban penwandur naduk kesenam arhajar arpau. Badai tang ke West Garo Hills kebelah syajit ban yo ke bahak tengka ha kesenam arhajar arpau na ketenat Minority Affairs. Hendrai naduk kesenam arhajar arpuar. Kalau don nok kejing penkela ha ke babarok ke distrik mentah gila ban yo kejing erap na ketenat jong ke sorkar pedeng. Uli itu bagi sorkar kala terwa ban penlod arspa prapuar Klur tengka bantai kena ke projek. Hendrai hadian kejing penbed kala don kejing penkela kejing terwa ha ke bagi sorkar pedeng kalamang shispa asan puwei poin kendai san Klur tengka. Bat nak kena ke bahak tengka ke sorkar jela kan hak ban penlod hi shipau nak ke shispa. Kat bagi sorkar pedeng kan ai shispa lai pesan Klur tengka. Menteri rang ba ulong baleng ba kena ke projek on don jaka na ke benta arhajar sans pangut kisam la pulia ka pharmaceutical college ka nursing college ka paramedical college bat ka skill development center. Bat kin don bonteli ke hostel na ke benta kisam la pulia bat kan longru ka skill center ka bahedo ha ka than stela mingi ha ka bedai bat ka medical skill.
But after certain adjustments and certain changes that were made in the proposal, the Government of India, Minority Affairs, has sanctioned 151 crores for this, 151.95. And out of this, 90-10 is the ratio. So 10% will be borne by the Government of Meghalaya, and rest 130 plus 35 crores will be given by Government of India. The project will come up in West Garo Hill district in Babadam area, which falls under North Tura constituency. And this will have a space for almost 2,500 students and different hostel facilities. It will have a pharmaceutical college, a nursing college, paramedical college, and one skill development center. And there will be large number of hostels for all the students who are studying. And this will in one way become one of the larger skill centers for medical skill in the entire Northeast. The funds for this also, the initial installment has been released, and this has been given. The work for this will be done through a PSU, which is EPI, Engineering Project India Limited, which is a public sector undertaking. And this undertaking also was, this PSU also was selected after a bidding process, and other PSUs were also, had also submitted their bids. And out of the 3 bids, the L1 was EPI, which is Engineering Projects Limited, and they have been asked to execute the work.
Menteri rang ba kejela ulong ba sorkar kalaya cekamat ban penkrea na kebenta bandon ne kejing ekran esok ha pedeng ka Kynhun keng atiar ke HNLC ka sorkar pedeng bat ka sorkar jela. Ulong ba kikam kelaya tikelenti ke badai bat an persang ban penkloi kikam kejam hendrai dan kampat ban sengotho syai bagane ka kam long ke besok. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong badan kam meneslok bat baro bat banyo ru kejing syania ha bagia cekmat bat unget scam ban la ban penia cekmat kene kejing ekran bat ban poino eka syakabakut.
See, this is a process. We have to understand that things don't happen immediately. There are a lot of concerns from all sides, and which are very genuine, of course. And therefore, we need to take all those concerns into mind and then take the talks forward. So things are on track. We are moving in the right direction, and we will try to, to speed up the process as much as possible. But as I said, we need to also realize that this is a complicated process, and we need to take everybody into confidence, build up the confidence as we move along. But as I said, things have been initiated, and I'm very sure and very confident that we will be able to take this discussion also to its logical conclusion.
Halor kejing sapriang kakai pot jangka fact finding team jangki pulet. Kabal keno bau he pulet uba jike yang rai ula penenkam bakla ya kebor bakla don ru kajing ya thok. Menteri rang ba kejelau konrat kongkal sangma uloong ba ke sorkar kan kenran dian bantung ya ke Kynhun tokit. Halor kejing keno bakadan kajing penon kam bakla ya ki arp kendai tri kali dau ba jike yang rai. Lada kawan kejing ajing mut nak ketenat pulit. Uloong dai ban ailat shwa ki kam bakinya cakmat bat ke sorkar kan kiar lada di bantung ya kanu ke Kynhun tokit. Balada kadon kanu kejing bakla kemalaja on hak banya cakmat ban pa tokit. Menteri rang ba uloong ba kamlong kabadai bat kebayahap ban chupen poi be cekabakut ikre kakam. Da kabashukan no badan kejing da thok. Uloong ba katenat kalia cekmat ba kejing tokit bat kin sati bnya alor kejing te baper. Bat kin sepen mi ka kai pot kat kum kejing ajing mud jong katenat korbari bat ki he officer.
Inside it. So, obviously if there is anything wrong that's happened, definitely we will go ahead and put some inquiry into these things. But as I was mentioning even about a week or 10 days back, that from overall initial looks of everything that's happening, it looks like there were some issues that were concerning the allotment that took place, some delay and some use of or misuse of certain areas. But in principle, the procedures look to be in place. That's what it looks like. But of course, the department is going into the entire inquiry. They will go into the details and they will come out with their findings. And as per the suggestions that are given by the Home Department and the officials, we will definitely take action regarding this. And we're not here to not take action. All I'm saying is that it's not correct for us to just jump to a conclusion even from the press side and just start using big words just to get the attention of the public. It doesn't look proper. Yes, if there are facts and figures and when it comes out that something is there, then it's fine. But I don't think it's proper to just limit. So let the process continue. And as I said, we will ensure that whatever has to be done from our side, we've never shied away from any inquiry, any commissions, any inquiry that has to be done. We will not shy away from that either. So there's no problem in that, and we will do what it takes. Let it come out. Let it come out. Let the report come out. Let the suggestions come out from the department. All I'm saying is don't jump into conclusion is all I'm saying. Don't jump into conclusions. We have never shied away from any inquiry. We will never shy away from it.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.